In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save a recorded video in Snagit. If you've just finished recording your screen and you're wondering where that video goes, Snagit makes the process pretty straightforward once you know where to look. I'll walk you through what happens after the recording ends and how to save it permanently to a folder on your computer. First, open TechSmith Snagit on your computer. Once you're inside the app, use the capture feature to record your screen as you normally would. This is the built-in tool Snagit uses for screen recording, so if you're creating a tutorial, demo, or walkthrough, this is where the process begins. After you stop the recording, Snagit will automatically open the video in Snagit Editor. This is important because many people expect the file to already be sitting in a regular folder on their computer, but that's not always the case right away. If the recording hasn't been manually saved yet, it is temporarily stored in the Snagit library. That means the video exists and you can still access it, but it hasn't been permanently saved to a location of your choice yet. To save the video permanently, go to the File menu at the top of Snagit Editor and choose Save As. This opens the save window and gives you control over where the recording will live on your computer. From here, choose the folder where you want to save the video. It's a good idea to pick a location that's easy to remember, like your desktop, documents folder, or a dedicated video project folder. Next, enter a file name for your recording. Try to use a clear, descriptive name so it's easy to find later, especially if you make a lot of recordings. After that, select your preferred file format, such as MP4. MP4 is usually the most practical choice because it's widely supported and easy to share, upload, or play on most devices. Once everything looks right, click Save. At that point, your Snagit recording is no longer just sitting temporarily in the library. It's now stored as a regular video file in the folder you selected. To access it later, open File Explorer on Windows or Finder on Mac, then navigate to that same folder. You should see your saved video there and be able to open it, move it, upload it, or share it however you need. That's all it takes to save a recorded Snagit video and know exactly where to find it.